On the same day as Donald Trump's presidential inauguration, a small tech company called DeepSeek did something that surprised everyone in the AI world. While most people were watching politics, DeepSeek launched a powerful new AI model. One that didn't just talk well like other models, but could actually think and reason. This might sound like just another tech release, but what made DeepSeek's launch so amazing is how they did it. With a small budget, old computer chips, and a completely new approach to building AI. Most AI models today, like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, are trained to predict the next word in a sentence. That helps them sound smart, but they often don't actually understand what they're saying. DeepSeek took a different path. They created the world's first reasoning-first model, meaning it was built not just to talk, but to solve problems, think through steps, and explain its answers. Instead of copying patterns from the internet, DeepSeek's AI could break down tough questions, do math, write better code, and even correct its own mistakes. It was like teaching an AI how to think before teaching it how to talk, something no one had done this well before. Most big AI companies spend hundreds of millions of dollars to build their models, but DeepSeek did it with less than $10 million, a tiny amount in the AI world. They used a small but smart team of engineers. They carefully optimized everything to make the most out of their resources. They didn't waste money on fancy hardware. They made old tech work like new. It showed the world that you don't need a fortune to build amazing AI. You just need brilliant ideas and hard work. Today's top AI labs use the latest, most powerful computer chips like the NVIDIA H100, which cost thousands of dollars each. They used older NVIDIA chips, like A100s and even V100s, which most people thought were too slow for modern AI. But DeepSeek made it work by writing super efficient code and training the model in clever ways. DeepSeek launched their model on January 20th, the day of Trump's inauguration. That wasn't random, it was a statement. While the world was focused on politics and power, DeepSeek quietly released something that could change the future of technology. It was their way of saying, you don't need to be big to make history. DeepSeek is a Chinese company, and that makes its success even more impressive. With limited access to the newest tech and international tools, they still managed to beat many global AI leaders. They also shared their work openly. Instead of keeping it locked behind paywalls, they gave away the code, the model, and the tools, so that anyone in the world could use it, learn from it, and improve on it. This helped push a wave of open-source AI, making powerful models available to everyone, not just big corporations. DeepSeek isn't stopping here. They're now working on something even more advanced. AI agents that can think for themselves, plan steps toward a goal, and work on tasks over time. This is the future of AI, not just chatbots, but smart assistants that can do real work, help people solve complex problems, and even work alongside humans like teammates. DeepSeek proved that thinking is more important than size in AI. Old hardware can still build the future. A small team with big ideas can compete with the world's biggest companies. And the best AI isn't always hidden behind closed doors. It can be shared with the world. Their story is a reminder that innovation doesn't need billions of dollars. Sometimes it just takes courage, creativity, and a clear mission.